Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's video, we're going to be decorating a tier tray for Mother's Day with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called the Mother's Day Tier Tray Collab, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. Now her co-host today is Daisy DIY. Now I'm going to go ahead and link the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated their tier tray for Mother's Day. Now remember that for watching the video and clicking that like button helps us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube. Now I'm going to go ahead and decorate this tray, and I'm going to leave you to music. Now remember, when decorating your tray, you want to decorate it with that special person and things that remind you of them. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for hosting this collaboration. Okay, so it looks like here I am done. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So it's not every day that we get opportunities to spend time and make memories with our loved ones. So make sure and take the time to wish your mom or your loved one a happy Mother's Day. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.